Hey guys, welcome to Tutorialguru. Today we'll be learning how to send high quality photos on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to send high quality photos on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, in order to proceed from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button with the three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on the more button with the three-dotted icon and you land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just above the My Notes. Tap on settings and you will land on this interface where you can see there is the media option available for us over here just below the calls and messages. Tap on media and you can see over here, in order to send high quality photos on Viber, first we'll be required to tap on the photo quality, which is at the top of the screen. And over here you can see where it says the choose the quality of photos you send. It says the compressed, good and excellent. First tap on the excellent on this box, and with that being done, guys, at the bottom of the list over here it says the restrict data usage, where it also says Viber will optimize minimal data usage on mobile network. Make sure to turn that off. By doing that, guys, if you're on mobile network, Viber will send low quality photos on Viber if you send photos to anybody from Viber. And that being done, guys, you will start to send high quality photos on Viber. And there, guys, this is how to send high quality photos on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.